Hey guys, this is Eric. So if you guys are new to these heater, Mr. Buddy heaters, this is a single propane tank one. So what we're going to be doing today is showing you how to add this 12-foot propane hose assembly to your single Buddy heater using a 20-pound tank. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is going to make sure this is off, in the off position. It's in the off position. Now I'm going to walk around, because what I'm going to do, if you run your Buddy heater with a longer cord or on a propane tank, what you want to do, guys, is make sure you get a filter for your Mr. Buddy heater. On the side right here, this is where your filter screws into. And yes, it's a little dusty. This has been set up for a while, and we're bringing it out now just in case we have to have it if the power goes out, because we have some very, very cold weather coming that we haven't had in a very long time. So we want to make sure we're prepared our house so we won't be in there freezing to death. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get this screwed in there, and we want to make sure we screw it in there hand tight. And listen, when you buy these filters, it's going to come with a little plastic knob here, so make sure you take that off, okay? So now that this is in there, so what we're going to be doing, guys, I want to make sure my tank is in the off position, and we are in the off position there. And let's take this off here. I'm going to open this pack up, and again, this is a 12-foot, this is a Mr. Heater 12-foot propane hose assembly. So that gets this tank 12 feet away from your heater, okay? So go ahead and open this pack up, and we're going to go ahead and get it installed. All right, so do not lose this little black piece right here. This is very important. So this little black piece right here goes into here, and that is what's going to help you screw this in to this. So once you have this on here, guys, it's going to go counterclockwise. Let me get it back down in the right spot here. Counterclockwise into your 20-pound tank. Let's see. And yes, it comes loose off of that little nut right there. All right, so now we got it going in there. So we want to make sure we get this hand tight on this as well too. All right. So we are hand tight there. I want to stretch this out a little bit. All right. Get these little swirls out of here. All right. I'm gonna run it around this way. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. And now this is clockwise going into the filter. I'm gonna make sure we get it in there. So if this is you guys' first time with a Buddy heater, these are very simple to operate. So that's in there. And so what I want to do now is I'm going to turn this on. So that is turned on. I'm going to give it a little second, and I'm going to come over here. It's in the off position, so I'm going to go over to the pilot, and I'm going to hold it down. I'm going to click and hold down. And so I do see my flame there. All right, I'm holding down for a couple of seconds. Now I'm going to go over to the low position. We're at the low position, and then I'm going to switch it over to the high, because I'm going to run it on high for a second. So now it's over to the high position, and we're just going to let it light up here, guys. So these Buddy heaters are indoor safe. One good thing about the safety feature on this, if it tilts, lean forward, sideways, or whatever, or you shake it, it's going to it cuts off automatically. So which is great to have for indoors. It has the added safety where if it tilts, it cuts off, or it falls over, it cuts off. One thing you never want to do is put anything in front of that heater, because then you're going to cause a fire hazard. So don't do that. But if you guys, again, if you guys are new to the Mr. Buddy heaters, if you want to add a bigger tank so you're not running out quickly with the little green tanks, in the case of emergency, for emergency heating, get you a 20-pound tank and a longer hose. This is a 12-foot hose again, and make sure you get your filter to hook up with it. And that's all to it in operating this, okay? And she's putting out some pretty good heat, so which I'm liking. It's cold out here now, but again, we're getting this Arctic blast getting ready to come in, and just want to make sure everybody is safe and all of that, and make sure you're running your heater safely. And I greatly appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. And if you guys don't mind, if you'd like to support the channel, please hit that subscribe button to help us grow. So I greatly appreciate you guys watching, and I hope this helped you guys. And be careful, because there's some really, really cold weather coming this way. See you guys later.